What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to have you all here with me today. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a new viewer, I appreciate you taking the time to join us. Today we're diving deep into a topic that I know a lot of you are interested in, healthy eating for a healthy lifestyle. It's something that can truly transform your life in so many positive ways. Specifically, we're going to be talking about 10 no-carb, no-sugar foods you must eat. These foods are not only great for your health but also incredibly tasty and versatile. Cutting out carbs and sugar can seem daunting, but trust me, it doesn't have to be bland. There are so many delicious options out there that you'll never feel like you're missing out. There are so many delicious and nutritious foods out there that fit into a low-carb, low-sugar lifestyle. From fresh vegetables to lean proteins, the possibilities are endless. Why is this important? Well, reducing your intake of refined carbs and added sugars can lead to a whole host of benefits, from weight management to increased energy levels. You'll feel more vibrant and ready to take on the day, and even reduced risk of chronic diseases. By making these small changes to your diet, you can significantly improve your overall health and well-being. So, let's get right into it. Grab a notebook, take some notes, and let's explore these amazing no-carb, no-sugar foods together. I promise you by the end of this video you'll be inspired to make healthier choices and feel great about it. Let's go! First up we have avocados, the creamy, delicious fruit that's packed with healthy fats. You might be thinking fruit, but yes, avocado is technically a fruit, and a powerful one at that. A study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that consuming one avocado a day can help lower bad cholesterol levels. That's right, incorporating just one avocado into your daily diet can have a significant impact on your heart health. Next we have eggs, a breakfast staple that often gets a bad rap. Forget what you've heard about cholesterol, eggs are a nutritional powerhouse. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that eating eggs for breakfast can actually help with weight management. That's because eggs are high in protein and healthy fats, keeping you feeling fuller for longer and reducing those mid-morning cravings. Let's move on to salmon, a delicious and versatile fish that's loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are essential for brain health, reducing inflammation, and even improving heart health. A study published in the journal Neurology found that people who consume higher amounts of omega-3s have a lower risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. So, next time you're looking for a brain-boosting meal, reach for the salmon. Chicken breast is a lean protein source that's incredibly versatile and perfect for those watching their carb intake. Whether you're on a low-carb diet or just looking to eat healthier, chicken breast can be a staple in your meal planning. It's low in fat and calories but high in protein, making it an excellent choice for those aiming to build muscle or lose weight. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues in your body. It plays a crucial role in muscle recovery, especially after intense workouts. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming adequate protein can help maintain muscle mass as you age. This is particularly important for older adults who are at risk of muscle loss. So, whether you grill it, bake it, or stir-fry it, chicken breast is a great addition to a healthy diet. Pair it with a variety of vegetables and whole grains to create a balanced meal that fuels your body and keeps you feeling satisfied. With its high protein content and low fat, chicken breast can help you achieve your fitness goals while enjoying delicious, nutritious meals. Popeye was onto something with spinach. This leafy green is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Research has shown that spinach is a good source of nitrates, which can help improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. Add it to your smoothies, salads, or sauté it as a side dish for a healthy and delicious boost. Broccoli is another cruciferous vegetable that deserves a spot on your plate. It's rich in fiber, vitamin C, and vitamin K, all of which are essential for overall health. Studies have shown that broccoli contains compounds that may help protect against certain types of cancer, so don't be afraid to load up on this green goodness. Looking for a healthy and satisfying snack? Well, look no further than almonds. These nuts are packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, keeping you feeling full and energized. Research has shown that consuming almonds regularly can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Greek yogurt is a fantastic source of protein and probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support gut health. A healthy gut is crucial for digestion, immunity, and even mental health. Studies have shown that consuming probiotics can help improve symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome or IBS and other digestive disorders. Opt for plain Greek yogurt and add your own fruit for sweetness. Olive oil is a staple of the Mediterranean diet, which is consistently ranked as one of the healthiest diets in the world. It's rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Research has also shown that olive oil contains antioxidants that may protect against certain types of cancer. Use it for cooking, salad dressings, or even drizzle it over your food for a flavorful and healthy boost. Yes, you read that right. Cheese can be part of a healthy diet, especially when you choose wisely. Opt for harder cheeses like cheddar, Swiss, or Parmesan, which are lower in carbs and higher in protein and calcium. Calcium is essential for strong bones and teeth, and research has shown that it may even play a role in weight management. So there you have it, 10 no-carb, no-sugar foods that you can enjoy while still living a healthy and delicious life. These foods are not only great for maintaining your energy levels, but also for keeping your taste buds satisfied. Remember, a balanced diet is key, and it's important to include a variety of foods to ensure you're getting all the necessary nutrients. Incorporating these nutrient-rich foods can make a world of difference in how you feel. You'll notice increased energy, better mood, and overall improved health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up, as it really helps us out and lets us know you enjoyed the content. And subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. We have a lot of exciting content planned that you won't want to miss. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. This way, you'll be the first to know when we post new videos. Thanks for watching, and we appreciate your support. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content for you. I'll see you in the next one. Stay healthy and take care.